Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. In this video, I'm going to show the process of attaching the Insta360 car mount, which I have right here, to the Tesla. I'm using the Insta360 Go 3S to record this, in case you guys are curious. And the reason I'm recording this video again is because I had some comments that the selfie stick wasn't secure in this mount. And so I wanted to show the process of how I mount it and that it's secure. So my car is extremely dirty. Please forgive it. The first step I'm going to do is put this on the roof. Now, this is all fully adjustable. Let me fix my little mount a little bit. So I tend to loosen this so that it slides back and forth. And then you can loosen these two in order to rotate this. So the first step is to get it where you want it. And you just press down like that. Once you press down, you're gonna press this in. And that's gonna suction it to the car. Now we're sectioned. And I'm gonna press this one down and suction it to the car. And even with all the dirt on the glass, it's still secure. Once it is secure, I'm gonna tighten this down. Now we're locked in. The next step is I'm going to loosen these two top ones so that this rotates. We're going to slide our selfie stick. Now I'm using the Action Invisible selfie stick, which is the one that you want to use for this mount. So we put that in this holder and we're going to tighten it down. The wrong way there. So now this is not moving in here. It's rotating because these are loose, but it's not loose in this mount. The next step is to slide this third piece over the selfie stick, and we can adjust the angle. So we can go really low, we can go really high. I'm just going to put it here. If you need to loosen this up, you can, and you can extend this in and out depending on, you know, your flavor of how you want it. Let's loosen in it, so we'll tighten it down. And then again, there's something over here that you can slide that. So get it where you want it, push this down, and again, pump that, and now we're tight. Last step is to tighten this one up here, and we're good. This is secure, as secure as this is gonna get. It's not loose at all. You can extend this, you know, however tall you need. Put your 360 cam on here, or whatever you want to mount on here, a GoPro. And yeah, that's the process. The comments I got again were that this piece I think was loose in these two, and you can see it's not loose at all. And that's the process for attaching the Insta360 car mount to your car. If you have any questions or feedback, comment them below in the video. Hopefully this answered everybody's question, and I appreciate you guys watching.